In this video here, I'm going to show a wee problem here I have with downloading from SourceForge. I'm going to download this file here as an example, FileZilla, which I've never had any problems with in the past. And as you can see here, it downloads quite a small file, and normally this file is about 6 megabytes. I'll show you what happens when it downloads. And I'll try opening it here. And it comes up here with a potentially unwanted program. And here it is again. And I'll try scanning it with VirusTotal just to see what it is. And here's the results here after I skip ahead. And as you can see here, this is not something I really want to install on my computer. So I'll just try downloading that once again. I'll click the direct link here. In fact, it's actually started the download twice. Okay, now that it's downloaded, I'll try comparing the two files it downloaded just to see if there's any difference in the two. Okay, they're both the same. I'll compare it against the one I downloaded earlier, and you can see here there's 4 bytes difference. I'm not sure why offhand, but I'll try scanning that file just after downloading again. And going by VirusTotal, it's actually a different file, probably because those 4 bytes difference. And you can see here it's coming up with the same adware. So I'll try going to SourceForge itself and downloading FileZilla, just in case there's something wrong with the website. So I'll try browsing for it manually. It's the client I want. And I'll pick the latest version here. And I'll pick the 64-bit edition. And sure enough, it looks like the exact same file I downloaded earlier. And just to check anyway, I'm going to try running it once it completes. And yet another potentially unwanted program pop up. So let's compare it against the file I downloaded earlier, byte for byte. And what looks like the same 4 bytes that are different again. Let's try downloading the 32-bit version. It's a little bit slow here, but there we are. In fact, it looks like it had downloaded the same file again. Let's just try it once again. And let's compare it again, the two again. No differences. I'll compare it against the one I downloaded earlier. Now there should be more than 4 bytes difference between the 32-bit and the 64-bit edition. So let's just check it again on VirusTotal. And here are the results. You can clearly see here it contains adware. Now let's try something different this time. I'm going to try downloading the zip file. And notice this time I'm getting an executable file. It should be a zip file. And in fact, it looks almost identical to the last executable file I downloaded. And if I check here on the command line, there's the exact same 4 bytes that are different, so it's clearly not a zip file. Thank you for watching.